Hello traders. In this video, I will go over the settings on a different order flows and COT distribution and so on, all my settings. Just to remember what the settings are in the future, if you need to duplicate it, you can go to that video and find them. So first I'm going through order flow settings. The top block trader, horizontal CVAP, vertical CVAP, I don't use any of this, so I leave it alone. COT, I use yellow. So yellow will show the biggest COT at the candle. Okay, so I can highlight it with yellow really well. Cluster, I use 3, so it shows 3 clusters. Usually one is yellow. Yellow doesn't have to be there, it could be at a separate, but it's very seldom. Delta, I have it on top, and I have a text size a little bigger, 15, so I can see it better. Delta Doji, I have it at 300. So this is for the first settings. So you're coming to exhaustion now. So there's exhaustion alert. I don't have COT filter. I want to see it all the time. The exhaustion number of imbalances are 5. So if it has 5, I have an exhaustion. General, that's very important.
Sherry, I see 11 on shouting.
Very important here. The key is I have 12 size volume text size. Volume divider has to be 1. That's important. Just mute the phone so it doesn't bother. And what else here? I have a little bit thicker candle outlay to see the red and the green candles. A little thicker, so I use 2. Imbalance summary, I use 14 basically to tell me it's 1 or 0 imbalances. And I have it on the bottom. So that way they split. Otherwise, sometimes the top and bottom, they kind of, the second number overlaps, especially if you have a bigger size. And in a bid ask is the same, red and blue and green. So next one is minimum size filters. I don't use any, it's a 0. Purge alert, I have it on 7. 7-minute chart should be equal to the MFI, either 7 or 8. Reversal alert, I don't have current bar rule or high, low, so I leave it alone. So any of this, I leave it alone. And I have very similar color, green and orange green, so they're very similar. It doesn't matter to me that much, as long as they're kind of reddish and greenish when it shows sequential decline on the top. Stacking balance, I have that color, Cayenne. It's 3 stacking balances to show that color. And I'm not sure that the yellow is below the level. Okay, so that's it. Now next one is timer. Timer, of course, I have it in black. I have a pretty big 50 I use for timer to see it really good here. Trading balance, I have it set up at 300 and a blue or a red. So you see the red number here and you see the blue number here. Blue is better than a green, so I just use a blue. There's a blue here, blue on top here. And I have it the same size because it's bold and bold text, so you can see it well. You don't have to have bigger size. Trap trader, I have set mine to 400. I want to see him all the time. And I want to see it all the time, not only in reversal. Have it in gold. So I don't have trap trader here, so I can't see it. Unfinished action, have it pale green, the same. Take the series, I have no label. I take the label off, otherwise it goes on top here. So I have one label, it needs to get out of there. On the settings, on the visual, and you can control this from here too. Basically, we'll go only the ones I don't want to have. Buy block trader and show horizontal CVAP. I don't want to have that. And show reversal. Actually, I want to have. Show sell block trader. I don't want to have. And show vertical CVAP. I don't want to have. And that's it. So that's enough for this video, and I'll save each one as a separate video, so it's not too long.